welcome to Greenway Ford. My name is Osama Faraj and I want to introduce you to the 2021 Ford F-150 XLT. This is the chrome appearance package with the 18-inch wheels. You're gonna get the step bars that's also chrome. Just wanted to show you this new tailgate. Powered down. Also wanted to show you this new surface work area. It's gonna have all of your measurements here. It's gonna have your phone holder. It's gonna have your pen and pencil holder as well. This is also gonna come with a 400-watt plug-in, so wherever you go, you always could work. Just wanted to show you guys the new Sync 4 and the 12-inch screen in this F-150. And it's gonna have all your controls here. And one of the cool things about this truck, it's gonna come with zone lighting. It's gonna give you access to all the lights around the truck, and you have control on which lights you wanna turn on and which lights you wanna turn off. So if you're ever at a workstation, you have control of the lighting, especially if it's at night. And also, this truck comes with a work surface area, so you have your workstation at your hands at all times. And this vehicle also comes with cameras in front of the vehicle, in the back of the vehicle, and on both sides of the truck. So you have a 360, so you know where you're at all times. These are some of the cool features in the new 2021 F-150s. My name is Osama Faraj, and we're located off of 417 in East Colonial. Just ask for me and I'll be happy to help. Have a good day, guys.